Want to make a custom header in Elementor without touching a line of code? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. But before we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Templates and then Saved Templates. Click Add New Template. Choose Header as the type and give it a name. I usually just call it Header. Then hit Create Template. Elementor will open up and take you to the template library. You can pick a pre-made header by clicking Insert or Generate Variations, or just close the library to build your own. Now, select your layout, Flexbox or Grid. I prefer Flexbox for its flexibility. Click the Elements icon in the top left, then drag the Site Logo widget into your header section. Add a WordPress menu widget for your header, so all the links like Home, About, or Contact will be available on the header. Everything can be styled later to match your brand. For example, you can tweak their width like this, or set their alignment just as you like. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish. When the Add condition pop-up appears, keep Include and set the location to Entire Site so the header shows across all your pages. Hit Save and Close, and your header is live. Just a heads up, this tutorial focuses on how to build the header, not how to design it. That part is completely up to your brand and personal taste. To preview it, click the Preview icon next to the Publish button and check out your new header in action. You can always come back and make edits later in Elementor. I use Elementor all the time to create headers like this. It's my go-to tool. If you want to give it a shot, my affiliate link is below. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.